Big win, second win, 4-1 at home on bounce. I don't think we stepped out of second, maybe third gear when we needed to.
Arsenal 4, Leeds United 1.
I think what was crazy about today is watching City Liverpool, especially in the concourse, and there were a lot of fans that felt down about that, which I understand why. But I felt like carried into the atmosphere of the stadium for the first few moments. The first half was very flat. Key to get a breakthrough like we did with something like a penalty, because I didn't feel any quality or anything that was coming through. Take the penalty, and even at half time, 1-0 up though, it was still flat. However, I still feel that the second half, that's when we stepped up into a different gear. Great finish by Ben White, although I nearly missed it. And then there we go. The build-up play for Jesus' goal and the build-up play for Xhaka's goal were unbelievable. Like, you know, it's special times here. Special times here. And we go again. Let's go to Anfield. Let's get that win and keep moving. What I love about what's happening at the moment, is the talk out of the camp, the training. Everyone's saying, enjoy these games. You know, we've put ourselves in this position now. Let me ask you something. If City were 8 points at the top, playing a game more, and we were chasing them, a lot of people would say it'd be game, set, and match. It's already done. So let's enjoy these games now. Let's go to Anfield, get that win, and appreciate and consolidate the position that we put ourselves in. We're playing like we believe we're the best team in the league. So let's continue it. Let's keep supporting, because we're getting a game closer for it happening, man. Enjoy the world, peace and light. Victoria Concordia Cruise set. Magic is happening. Believe. Peace.